In this video, I will show you how you can make more than $30 in less than 30 minutes from popular cryptocurrency exchange website Coinbase. I will also show you how you can withdraw your rewarded cryptocurrency from Coinbase to your bank account or PayPal. You don't need any credit card or cash to earn money from Coinbase. If you live in one of these countries, you are eligible for the Coinbase earn. It is very simple. However, you need to sign up for the Coinbase account and photo verification, which is absolutely free. This video is not affiliated with the Coinbase or any other cryptocurrency shown in the video. This video is for you. How can you earn some extra money? Basically, you are going to watch the video in Coinbase and answer the questionnaire and receive the reward. I can assure they are very easy questions. Actually, it is an educational purpose. Every time Coinbase involved in the digital currency related product, they let user to see the video and understand the product and service with really good explanation. The questionnaire are from the specific product and you receive the reward in the same product. Then you can convert the reward to a real money and transfer to your bank account or PayPal. I will also show you how you can withdraw the money from Coinbase to your bank account or PayPal. Without further ado, let's start how you can make more than $30 from Coinbase in less than 30 minutes. Let's log into Coinbase.com. If you don't have an account, sign up one. You may need to send verification for the first time. Once you log into Coinbase account, navigate For You page from the left navigation. On the For You page, you can see the on Get free crypto in a minute while learning how it works on the right side of the sidebar. Just click on the same and start watching the video. The questions and answers are listed under the video. If you don't make it correct at the first attempt, don't worry. You can submit another answer right away. Once you match the answer, you will be rewarded the coin to your account. Once you finish with all the survey, you can either convert all the small altcoin and put them together in one coin as Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you can sell all the altcoin and transfer the money to your bank account or PayPal instantly. Let me show you how. Option first, convert all your small reward coin and put them into the single coin. Click to the portfolio on the left menu bar. In the portfolio, you can see your earning balance in a graph. On the left sidebar, click to the invest over the time located under the do more with the crypto. When a small window pop up, click to convert tab. Then you click to firm. A drop down will pop up with the list of the cryptocurrency and your balance under it. Select the currency you want to convert. Click to the To tab, choose your desired currency you want your currency to be. On the Amount tab, you can click Convert All if you find difficult to collect all the small altcoin and click to convert. Option number 2. To withdraw the money, make sure you have a payment method added to your profile. To add a withdrawable payment method in your account, go to your Profile tab and go to the Payment Method. If you click to add a payment method, you have an option to add PayPal, bank account or credit debit card. Select the one you wish to withdraw your money and follow the procedures. Withdrawing your money from Coinbase account to your bank or PayPal account. If you want to withdraw your rewarded money to your bank account or PayPal, first you have to sell currency. To sell the currency, click to the Buy Sell button located on the top. Now click to Sell tab. On the amount part, you can choose to sell all your balance or part of it. Now choose your rewarded currency in the Sell from the drop down option. On the Deposit drop down, your currency is selected by default. Remember, there will be transaction fee while buying and selling coin in the any exchange website. Once your sale is confirmed, you can see the amount in your portfolio page in the currency symbol. click the currency and click to withdraw. Again, you can withdraw all the available balance or part of it. Input your amount and click to continue. Your withdrawable payment are free of charge and you should receive the instant payment in your PayPal, and it may take 2 working days in your bank account. This is all in this video. If you like by far, do like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with the other. Until then, see you and take care.